Do you want more YouTube subscribers? Buy subscribe to unlock feature. So this is the right place. Go on google.com and search for unclouds.com and click on that first site and then click on get YouTube subscribers. Enter your YouTube URL here and then enter your destination file you want to log and then click on submit. After submit, you can see that there is another page opened, content is logged, and here is a URL of this page. I have to copy and now I can share this page with many of users and then you can see that unlock your file is logged until you subscribe YouTube channel. Subscribe channel. When I click on subscribe channel and then closing this page, you can see that this file has been unlocked. So when I click on it, my destination is arrived. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you like this video, share this video with others and share this technique with others. So bye bye.